So I hope you saw the video about the second little one, because now we're going to move on. Okay, so now you're going to see if you have these like with a little L, just like what I have over here. Or you have a line, like just one more over here, so you have a line. So you align them like that. So I have to align my L just like that. After that, I'll do the algorithm. So first is F, then U, then R, then U prime, then R prime, then F prime. So once you finish that, you should have a cross. If you have a line, then now you need to align it again. If you have nothing, you do it twice, but you still have to align everything. So once you finish that step, we're going to move on to the next step, to solving the yellow face. So it says 0, 2, first pretend you have a yellow piece on the upper right hand corner of left face. If you don't understand what that means, it means just right over here. So yeah, we have 0, so we're going to keep one over here, and then we're going to do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. So we have one yellow corner. Now we're going to move it to the bottom left, like that. And then we're going to do the algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. So once you finish that, your whole entire face should be solved. Okay, next step. So now we're going to see, so we have matching. Here's not matching, here's not matching, neither over here, but here is matching. So you keep that in your left hand. So now you do the algorithm. There's another algorithm. It's 14. Well, it's going to be really long. So let's go start. So it's L prime. The primes means counterclockwise. U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So now you should have all of them matching. If you have one face that is soft, you face it away from you, so it's over here. So for mine is blue. So this is the most confusing part. So these are the two ways, clockwise and counterclockwise. So then if you want this green to go here, then it's going counterclockwise. Because if it's going this way, the pieces, then it's called clockwise. If you're going this way, it's counterclockwise. So mine is all going this way, and it's counterclockwise. So counterclockwise, F2, U prime, R prime, L, F2, L prime, R, U prime, F2. So now your whole entire cube should be solved. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!